Hello, what's up everyone? This is Arshan Ali and today I'm going to talk about Instagram grid, puzzle feed or collage grid. तो ये स्टार्ट हुआ था इस फोटो से जब मैंने सबसे पहले इस फोटो को 6 की ग्रिड में ब्रेक करके अपलोड किया। देन आई वाज स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट इट। मैंने कहा यार ये तो बहुत ऑफ है, इसको तो कोई लाइक नहीं करेगा। देन मैंने सोचा क्यों ना कुछ इस टाइप की ग्रिड बनाई जाए जिसके अंदर हर एक फीड इंटरेस्टिंग भी हो और वो मिलके एक यूनिक ग्रिड क्रिएट करें। People really appreciate it, they loved it, but it was very time consuming. I got so many questions asking about this grid. So today I'm gonna share with you guys secret of this unique Instagram grid. I have selected some simple pictures from different profiles. They are not high-end photographers, they are not Kim Kardashians. Because बहुत सारे लोगों को दिमाग में सवाल होता है कि भाई आप पता नहीं कौन सा कैमरा यूज करते हो, कौन सा लेंस यूज करते हो, आप फोटोग्राफर हो। भाई नहीं, आप कोई सी भी पिक्चर यूज कर सकते हो। Any picture. Number 1, you must have PC or laptop because अभी तक कोई ऐसा ऐप नहीं आया जिसके ऊपर ये ग्रिड डिजाइन हो सके। Number 2, Photoshop की बेसिक नॉलेज होना बहुत जरूरी है, including layers, masking, cropping and ruler. I'm using Photoshop CC19. You can use any version. It doesn't matter. Let's begin this. Open Photoshop. Click on Create New. This window will pop up. Change from pixels to inches. Width 10, height 10, resolution 100. Make sure colors are RGB. Write file name and click OK. Take new layer and fill with any color. Open rulers. Drag these lines on edge of your canvas. Now take cropping tool and stretch. सिर्फ इतना ही बढ़ाएं जितनी रूलर की फर्स्ट लाइन ग्रिड की लाइन पर बैठ जाए। अब 3 बॉक्सेस को 9 बॉक्सेस में डिवाइड करें। रूलर की लाइन इस पे प्लेस करें। नाउ आई एम ड्रैग ड्रॉपिंग कुछ हसीन लोगों की फोटोज। स्टार्ट करते हैं मात की खूबसूरत पिक्चर से। नेहा की फोटो को यहाँ रखते हैं, कुछ एडजस्टमेंट बन रही है। फूड की पिक्चर को फ्रंट पे लाते हैं, क्लिक बाय जुलू। Her Insta is full of delicious food pictures. Making it bigger, cutting with this round selection tool. Adjustments and I really like this picture of her. Neha is full of talent. She writes honest and great reviews. Let's make it out of the box. Taking copy of the layer, select the unwanted area and delete. Let's adjust this. Click by Jessica Rose. Making selection with pen tool, copy and paste. Deleting unwanted area and adjust. On masking using soft brush to make it neat. Adding shadows and done. In individual pose this looks empty. Let's add something. Drag and drop. You can add anything you like. It's just a sample. Making it little sharp because it was low resolution. And now it's done. This white little patch is not looking nice. Let's add something. Drag drop, adjusting and done. This yummiest khause thali clicked by super cute Hera. Using round selection tool, mask the unwanted area, copy and pasting this area because I want to show full spoon right now, making it little rough because it's just for an idea. Done. This is Safwan. Bro, really nice and natural picture. Crop the unwanted area and bring it on front. Yeah. Salman, mera hero dost. This picture is so energetic. Let's make it bigger. Sorry Neha, it's little disturbing. Covering the window area and popping out his picture. And it's done. This mouth-watering picture is by Rifat. Love her feeds and delicious recipe. She always makes me hungry. Selecting with pen tool and masking the unwanted area out. Adjusting and done. This area is a little disturbing, so removing it. Blending it smoothly by using soft brush. Better now. This is my gorgeous Garai, mashallah, beauty with talent. Cropping the unwanted area and covering edge of her pallu. Bringing this thali on top, yup, done. Her poses and styling is absolutely fantastic. Cropping the unwanted area out and placing this beautiful click by Usman. He takes a stunning landscape and amazing drone shots. This picture is by Shahzeen, she's a bookworm. And I love how she is creating her Instagram grid. Selecting and cropping this book out. And I love this natural shadow. Adjustments and blending with soft brush, it's done. This next picture is by Bilal Hassan. Ladke ki styling next level hai. I'm adding boots here, but you can add anything you want to talk about. Shades, jewelry, water bottle, anything. I think this sky needs to merge with the background, but I'm not sure about this. Anyway, it's an experiment. Oh, I so want to make these two pictures bigger. This picture is by Maham and this is Sana Tariq. There is no place left. If I make these pictures bigger, it's gonna be all clutter. Masking the white part and adding these pictures in. Adjustment and yeah. Not bad. This part of Safan's picture is not looking nice. I have to cover with something. Adjustments. Blending with soft brush and done. Adding shadows. Now this part is not looking nice. Using the same flower bush for now. Merging both pictures by using soft brush. Putting one more here just to cover the area. You can add anything according to your grid. I am uploading this grid on my design page so you guys can check anytime. You need to add variety of different pictures in the grid. Like रोज अपनी selfies upload करने के बजाय upload different pictures like art, animal, car, landscape, food, accessory or anything you like. People who are following you won't get bored. I hope this tutorial was helpful and you guys learned something. If you are new on my profile, please show some love and support through follow and subscribe because that encourages and excites me to create more content for you guys. If you have any question, ask me in the comment box below or DM me. Thank you so much for watching.